This is Guide to Everything, and in today's topic, let's talk about OrcaSlicer Fuzzy Skin Settings. Of course, you want to head over to your base plate on OrcaSlicer, and from here, let's then navigate through the settings of our project. Now, you want to scroll down until you click on the others option, and then we have the others option for our print. Basically, in here you have something like skirt, you have the brim, special mode, and of course you have the fuzzy skin category. Inside this page, in order to enable fuzzy skin, you just want to click on this option, and inside you have uh, options like the contour and whole, and all walls. Now in my case, I'll just click on the all walls option. In here, you also have the fuzzy skin generator mode, the fuzzy skin noise type, fuzzy skin point distance, and the fuzzy skin thickness. So if you want to edit this out, you're able to do so. So if you want to raise the thickness for your fuzzy skin, just maybe increase this into something like 0.546 and something similar. So from there, that's basically all you have to do. Now to test this out, I'm going to import a project or model onto my board right here, which is going to be the simple cube. And from there, let's then click on the slice plate option. So from there, we have successfully enabled the OrcaSlicer Fuzzy Skin. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.